Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on vectors. This question is taken from the year 2019, paper 2, question 5. Let's say I can do this proficiently. So with reference to the origin O, A, B, C, D are such that OA and OB is B, A and B, vector A and B, and OC is 2A plus 4B. So OC here, we know is 2A plus 4. So let's just understand what's 2A plus 4. 2A plus 4B just means we add another 1 and 2A. So this is 2A. And if you add 4B's up, you'll get C. Okay, so of course it's not drawn to scale, but the idea is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so C is just 2A plus 4B. 2A plus 4B. Okay, so which looks like it's actually in the correct position there. So OD is B plus 5A. So you just add B here and you just add 5A. Okay, this is A1, A2, and you get OD. So yeah, it's also seems like it's in the correct position here. Okay, so express OX in terms of A and B. I think we've done this many times in class before. So to do this is pretty simple. What you need to do is actually just find this line equation here, and after which you need to find this line equation here, and you just find the intersect. Okay, but because A and B are non-parallel vectors and they are on the same plane, which is this paper here, they're on the same plane. So everything here can be expressed in terms of A and B, a mixture of A and B, right? So I'm going to just write down line AC because, okay, let me just, this is intersection between LAC equals to LBD, right? So like in secondary school, if we have two line equations, what we will expect is y1 equals to y2 here. So is y1 equals to y2. So in this case here, what we need is actually just find the line equation of BD. So LBD will just be R equals to OB plus lambda BD. Right? So you need a position vector on the line, which is B or D. It doesn't matter. You can just use OD here, but I'm just going to use OB. That's the easier way. Then after which I'm going to find line of AC. Line of AC, we have got OA plus mu AC, the direction which is A to C. Right? Now we have everything here. We are given B. This is B. Then this would just be OD minus OB. So that's pretty okay. And OD is given B plus 5A. So I'm just going to slowly do this out. Lambda, this is B plus 5A minus B is R. Essentially what we're going to get is R equals to B plus lambda. Oh, makes sense. This is actually A. This direction is A. Yeah, but okay, so this is 5A. Right, you can just leave this as 5A. Of course, you can simplify if you want to, but I'm not going to simplify it. So this case is R equals to A plus mu to OC minus OA. That's pretty okay. Then this will be R equals to A plus mu OC would just be 2A plus 4B minus A. Right? So this is R equals to A plus mu A plus 4B here. Great. So now we're going to equate them. Now, just like in secondary school, if you want to find the two intersection point, just take y1 equals y2. So in this case, it's the same thing, r1 equals r2. So when at intersection point, okay, we know that r1 equals to r2. So LAD equals LAD equals to AC. Alright. So this case here, we can just equate them. B plus 5 lambda A equals to A plus mu A. I'm going to expand this for mu B. Now, the two vectors on this side here will have the same coefficient. So just factorize because they are non-parallel. So a mixture of them on, a mixture of A and B on the left and right will be the same. So in other words, if this is 7A minus B, then on the right should be 7A minus B, right? Because they're non-parallel. So in other words, this is equal to this one here. Then you just this over here, b which is 1 equals to this one here. So by comparing the coefficient of a, by comparing, you compare the coefficient a and b. So this is 5 lambda equals to 1 minus mu, and then 1 equals to 4 mu. 1 equals to 4 mu. It's just b. Yeah. So there you go. So mu is equals to 1/4. And lambda on the other hand will just be, you sub this as 1 plus 1/4. That will be 5/4. So lambda is 1/4. Alright. Then what you do is you just substitute back in to get your OX. So to find OX, we just sub back into the one of the line. This is easier. So I'm going to be like sub. So hence OX. Replace back. Okay, so sub lambda into LAD. Okay, LAD here, which is LBD, sorry. So hence OX will just be B plus 4 5A. Okay, there you go. It'll be 5/4A plus B. So you just look at whether it makes sense. OX 5/4B plus A. It seems like it. 5/4B plus A. 5/4B plus A. 5/4A plus B. Okay, so B is here. So this is about 5/4 times A, which makes sense. Okay, so that's how we do the first part here. Always check whether your answer makes sense. So let's look at part 2. Point Y lies on CD. So where's CD? CD is this C to D here. I draw the line here, C to D. Such that OX, Y are collinear. So OX and Y are collinear. So here will be collinear here. So this is Y. Alright. Express OY in terms of A and B and find the ratio of OX to OY. Alright. So that is it. So I think you're going to use a similar concept here. Rather, we're just going to find what is the line of CD here and just intersect with the line equation of OX. We can actually find OY. Alright. So let's look at that. I'm going to just find out what is line CD first. So this case here for part 2. Okay. I'm going to find what is line CD. So line CD, we know that actually just R equals to OC. I think OC will be E, or it doesn't matter whether OC or OD, plus let's say lambda mu, and I'm just use gamma CD. Okay. Now the problem now is I need to find the intersection between this line here and this line here to find what's my OY, right? So that's why I need to find the line CD here. That's what I'm going to do. So from here, what I'm intending to do is actually just write this down. R where gamma is its real value, and R is equals to OC, which is 2A plus 4B plus gamma, which is actually OD minus OC. Right. Then this will just be R equals to 2A plus 4B plus gamma OD, which is actually B plus 5A minus 2A plus 4B. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to just write this R equals to 2A plus 4B gamma 3A minus 3B. Okay, this is 3a minus 3b. There you go. So I think that's about it. Now OX, we already found OX, right? We can have the line of OX because we already found OX here. This is our OX here. So OX is just line OX. Of course, the easiest is just use the origin plus lambda, gamma, gamma. I'm going to use alpha. Okay, OX. So R is just alpha, the 5 over 4a plus b. So this is 5 over 4a plus b. Alright, there you go. So now we can just compare. So for find at point of intersection, okay, LCD equals to LOX. So I'm gonna just equate them both. Just 2a plus 4b plus gamma 3a minus 3b equals to alpha 5 over 4a plus b. Okay, so this case here, what I'm going to do is actually just compare them. So 2 plus 3 alpha. So do what with this, the same thing as the first part. So 2 plus 3 alpha, gamma, sorry. Gamma, on the hindsight, my gamma and alpha looks the same. So it's not that good. 4 minus 3 gamma b 5 over 4 alpha a plus alpha b. Okay, so we can just compare as usual. This by comparing, okay, the coefficient of a and b, we can actually deduce what is OY. So this case here. So by comparing, because they are non-parallel, so 2 plus 3 gamma equals to 5 over 4 alpha. 4 minus 3 gamma equals to gamma. So this is 5 over 4 alpha minus 3 gamma equals to 2. That will be 3 gamma plus alpha equals to 4. Now, I do not know, I have repeated this countless times. I think a lot of times students will just solve the linear simultaneous equation and think that there's no mark, okay? So just use your GC or use your calculator, your Casio to just solve this here. Please don't think that they're gonna give you mark for that. So simultaneous equation, just use your calculator and solve it. So -3, 2, 1, 3, 4. There'll be alpha is, okay, alpha is 8 over 3 and gamma is, so once done, what we can do is actually just find what's OY. Hence OY will just be key in calculator. OY just key into one of the equation. I think this is easier. So OX is using alpha, right? So this is 8 over 3. Alpha will be 5 over 4 alpha plus b. Okay, or rather this is actually, because we need to find the ratio later, right? OY, yeah, so this is, just write this down. This is actually just 8 over 3. Okay, but anyway, OY is equals to 5, so to 10 over 3 alpha. Alright, that's 1. Then we know that since OY is equals to 8 over 3 OX, okay, you know that OY, if you mod both sides, will just be 8 over 3. You can't really, you can't divide vectors, okay? So once you divide it, we can actually divide OX to OY. So this is OX. So 3 over 8 is equals to OX to OY. OX to OY is just 3 to 8. Okay, so that's how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.